how to confirm your email for Reddit. So you'll notice whenever you go and sign into Reddit, you may get a notification like I do here in the upper right hand corner that says confirm your email, howtoal.official@gmail.com. Check your inbox email for Reddit's confirmation email. Current email address helps ensure you don't lose access to your account. This is important if you ever want to reset your password because you might forget it for your account. So what I can do now is confirm by going to my email that I have gotten an email from Reddit, which I see here. I do have an email from Reddit saying to verify my email address. If you don't have that email in your email address, what you can do is select the update email option here, and then all you have to do is put in your current password and then a new email address, or the email address that you had and you just want to verify it, you can put it in there as well. Okay. So let's say you don't see this pop up right here and you're concerned about whether or not your email has actually been confirmed. What you can do is select on your account in the upper right hand corner here, go down to user settings, okay, and then from here on the account settings tab, you'll go down and see email address, and it'll say your email address currently associated with your account. Now if it says, like mine does, howtoal.official@gmail.com, not verified, okay, that's how we know it's not verified. Your email hasn't been verified. You haven't confirmed it with Reddit yet. So what we can do is we can click to resend, or I could just go back here to my email and select that and verify my email that way. We'll go ahead and select here just to verify my email, just to confirm that I can get another email from this option. So I'll say check your email. Reddit sent a confirmation email to al.official@gmail.com. Say got it, cool. Okay, so we'll go back to my email here and we'll check and give it a second here to see if another email comes in. We'll give it a little refresh here. Nothing happens, we'll refresh it again. Well, it's been about 10 minutes yet and Reddit has yet to send a resend for my email to verify that it is part of my account. So unfortunately, I'm not sure if this feature isn't working right now. I've checked my trash and spam folders. Nothing has appeared there. It might be on a timer that they only send you one email every 20 minutes or so. I'm not going to really hang around for that, though, unfortunately. So what I will go ahead and do, though, of course, is go into the email from Reddit to verify my email address. It'll say, visit this link to verify your email address. I'll go ahead and click on that one right there. Give it a sec to load. And it will go back to the home page of Reddit. So if I go back here, go to my account, user settings, you'll notice that my email address no longer has a notification saying that it is not verified. And you notice that the email address field no longer has a you need to verify it section, such as that's on this previous page. So this is it without it, this is it with it. So if I go ahead and refresh this page, you'll notice that the not verified, click to resend notification will disappear. And that is how you verify / claim your email for your account on Reddit.